In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Smartsheet notifications. Whether you're working on a smartphone, tablet, or desktop, notifications can sometimes become overwhelming. They can disrupt your focus and create unnecessary stress. That's why it's helpful to know how to manage them according to your preferences. Our goal is to give you the power to decide when and how to receive updates. With that in mind, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Smartsheet account. It's the first step to accessing all those personal settings where you can tweak your notification preferences. If you aren't already signed in, head over to the Smartsheet website and enter your login credentials. As you log in, make sure you remember your username and password because that's essential for gaining access to your account. With any luck, you're now greeted by Smartsheet's intuitive and user-friendly dashboard. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. You might need to look closely because depending on your screen resolution, icons can sometimes seem a bit small. Click on your profile icon. This click is your gateway to uncovering some personal settings that are designed to make your experience with Smartsheet more customized. Next, select the Personal Settings option. This menu houses a variety of options that you can use to personalize how Smartsheet functions for you. Selecting Personal Settings will lead you into another layer of customization. These settings are all about giving you control so you can manage everything from your profile to your notifications, all from one place. Click it and the journey to muting those notifications has officially begun. After selecting Personal Settings, locate and go to the Notifications tab. This is the heart of your notification management. Clicking on this tab will reveal the different alert options Smartsheet provides. It's quite handy because here you can view and modify how you receive notifications for your projects. Think of it like having a remote control for all those potentially pesky alerts. In the Notifications tab, you'll see various alert options for email, mobile, or messaging app alerts. If you're finding them to be more of an annoyance than a help, simply uncheck the ones you want to disable. This allows you to only get the information you consider essential. Want to fully unplug? Go ahead and uncheck all of them. It's an easy and effective way to declutter your digital life and enhance your productivity. Remember, once you make these changes, your notification settings will apply to all sheets associated with your account. No more constant pop-ups or buzzes while you're in the zone at work or trying to enjoy some peaceful downtime. This is a powerful choice that gives you complete control over how connected you want to be. I hope this guide helps you create a more serene work environment. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more manageable notification settings.